Everyone, I am Nadeem, and you are watching my channel, YouTube channel, Make Money. So, guys, I am introduce StarClick about StarClick. So, StarClick website is a real and authentic website. So, how to earn money in StarClick? Let's start this video. Before start video, just like my channel and subscribe. So description, so link is available in the description, in the video description. When you click link in the description link, your face interface is here show. Let's start. You just click in public sign up and advertise sign up. So you click just public sign up. When you public sign up, click and new interface show. When you click public sign up, a new page like this. So how to create an account? Just your first name and your and your last name and your date of birth. Put your home postal address and your city, and where do you live belongs to Pakistan, like UK, US, Australia, Nigeria. Like postal code and your phone number. Like phone number is start to like code plus 92, so and extra. Next, you watch. Next, your email address, like email put and confirm email put, and next, please choose a password. So strong password put here. Confirm password. Next, choose a security question. Select a security question. Type any answer for security question. So select a question and give you answer. Where did you find us? Where did you find us? Facebook, like Google, YouTube. So you click in Facebook or YouTube. Next, referral ID. So you put in my referral ID, and next you enter the code below. You enter the code below. Next, put. And next, I click confirm. I confirm. Next, register. Then you click register. Next, star click company send your email link. Just you click in email link. When you just click in a link, you goes to new interface like I show. When you click email link, you drag in login page. So just simple your login page, like email and password, and solve this captcha and sign in. You just sign in. I sign in, and how to, and I tell you how to work in simple star click. When you log in your account, phase 2 here interface show here. So first of all, verification your phone number and email. First email is already verify, and next just verify in phone number. Click verification and put his phone number. Put his phone number. So you check in my email and number is verify. So you visit this box and enter your mobile number and click verify, and to you receive star click star click code, and just a simple put code and verify your phone number and email. Let's start how to work. Simple how to work. Simple, you just watch ad every day. Just 11 ads every day. You just watch it. I watch simple ads. Just click PCD ads. So you PPC ads. Scroll down. So visit this page. So like this. ads. So click box and visit ads. So this ads is upload. So open this ads in few seconds. So you visit this ad, scroll down and scroll down. So come back to another visit ads like this. Another visit ads, click in this ads. So a few seconds, wait like this and open this page. Now open this page, simple scroll down and simple 1 2 second wait. Next you back simple and another ad visit. Simple this open ads and scroll down and visit simple 2 second, like 3 second and come back. Simple watching ad like this, then step by step watch ad and earn money like this. Click ads and visit this ads step by step, like 11 ads you visit in every day, and in every day visit 11 ads. So back in, and now I tell you about how to withdraw. Simple, you click payout. When you click payout, you visit payment method like payout method, PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfer, Western Union. You visit a minimum withdrawal like $50. When you earn $50, so you can withdraw this platform. I hope you like this video. And first of all, please subscribe my channel, like and comment. Next video I next video you first of my visit next video. Thank you so much.